quality is not a coincidence. The made in Germany and from the Europe's biggest manufacturer of core drills, BDS Maschinen. Presenting the excellent quality high-speed steel standard annular cutters. Professional quality for professional applications. The HSS-Standard's annual cutters and are available in 3 different cutting lengths: 30mm, 55mm and 110mm. Available from 12 to 130mm cutting diameters. Compared to conventional twist drill bits, BDS annular cutters drill up to 4 times faster and 3 times more holes per cutter. Simply better drilling. Manufactured from supreme quality steel from Germany. Streamlined high standard of automation and production process. The large production capacity set up at our corporate premises forms the basis of the high quality and availability of the BDS core drills, which are exported worldwide from Germany. Available in core drill box and also in core drill cassettes of 6 annular cutters. For high performance and results with core drills, we recommend only BDS coolants and lubricants. Robust, harder, stronger, economical, regrindable, longer service life. With the premium quality high-speed steel standard annular cutters. From BDS Maschinen, made in Germany.